Probation is an agreement between the defendant and the court to essentially not commit any new crimes, pay your fine, do your public work service, and oftentimes stay out of jail. Virtually any misdemeanor or felony qualifies for probation. There's essentially 3 levels of probation. There's misdemeanor informal probation, which essentially means pay your fine, be good, don't commit any new crimes. The exclusion is you can get a traffic ticket. Then there's 2 types of probation for felonies. One is informal probation, which again is very similar to misdemeanor probation in that be good, pay your fine, do what you're supposed to do. Then there's formal probation. Formal probation is when you see a probation officer, you have more obligations to the court, sometimes counseling, sometimes drug testing, etc., and you have to follow those conditions. The most common way a person violates probation is committing a new offense or being charged with a new offense. But another way to violate probation is to not fulfill your obligations. You don't start your public work service or your volunteer work. You don't do your self-help meetings like AA or something like that, or rehabilitation. There are several consequences of violating probation. First of all, you'd be arrested and taken to jail, and you're not entitled to bail. So you can be in jail for several weeks before the case is resolved. Secondly, is you can be sentenced to more custody or even state prison as a result of violation of probation. Or there's other things that can occur, more volunteer work, more programs. Sometimes you could be sentenced to probation, and if you violate probation, the judge will just simply send you to prison for a certain period of time. That's when you have a stayed sentence. Sometimes you'll make a deal and say, look, I'm going to give you 3 years in prison, stay that pending successful completion of probation. You don't complete probation successfully, you get 3 years less the time you've already spent. Oftentimes, when a client of mine is accused of violating probation, we can get them back on track, get them back into their programs that they're supposed to do. Oftentimes, if it's appropriate, get them into a rehabilitation program. Do something so that they don't have to go back to custody. I've been handling violation of probation issues for over 35 years in San Diego.